The next topic we're going to take a look at is increasing or decreasing behavior. So increasing, decreasing behavior, what it's very, the increasing and decreasing, y'all are familiar with that, going up, going down. What students mess up with on this, the only thing we really need to talk about is the word interval. Interval is very similar to domain. You list out the x values, except for you never use brackets. That's the only thing different. So the only reason they don't use the word domain is because they never use brackets. So if you see the word intervals, it's all going to be parentheses. But you look at the x values. Okay, so on this problem, looking left to right, what is the graph doing initially? As you go left to the right, what's it doing initially? Is it increasing or decreasing? So going from the left to the right. So from the left to the right, kind of like you're reading a book. It increases. It increases all the way up to this point. So it goes from forever to the left up to there. And I say forever to the left because this is not going straight down. This is actually going at an angle. And so from forever to the left, it's increasing from negative infinity all the way up to this point. Now the key is where students mess up so often is they put y values. Intervals is like domain. Use x's. So it goes on till -1 with the parenthesis. The only thing different with the interval is domain without brackets. Let me put that in there. It's domain without brackets. All right, so there's this problem. And by the way, this is number 12 in your packet if you want to get there. Yeah. So next, what's happening on the second portion of this graph?
Decrease.
It decreases, and it decreases to this value. Again, make sure you go off of the x's. So it decreases there to 3. This was -1. This goes to 3. So it's decreasing from -1 to 3. Again, it's domain without brackets, so I'm just using parentheses. Now, what's happening on the last portion of the graph? It's increasing. This part's going up. I should have wrote that to start with. This is increasing as well, and this part is decreasing. Okay, so it's increasing from 3 to infinity. And just like we do with, what's it called? Domain, if you have a second portion, you do a union. So it increases from 3 to infinity. Since this is going to the right or diagonal forever, it goes on to infinity. So just like domain, except for you never include a bracket ever. That's the only thing different when you see the word interval. So it's always domain without brackets. That would be the answer to this problem. I don't think I have another one of these on there. Let me double check. Nope, that's it. So I'm going to stop this video here. Let's stop it.